So we just move on and just do something again. Take a minute.
I think you want to walk back to the restaurant, Annie.
I want to. I have to. I'm a burning desire.
Same place, you want to put it back or somewhere different.
No, it have to be somewhere different. I don't matter if it have to be Kingston, Mobile, but once me have a decent restaurant where my customers say they can come relax.
No bother with that. No bother with no Moby and no Kingston. I want North Coast because I want can go eat my food every day.
Me know, but suppose me not get nothing in a Ochi, in a OG. Suppose me not get nothing.
You can't get you. I'm check. I'm going to check around for you. You can't get.
I would really love that.
You can go and check out one local spot through down to James Avenue or then place a come back run for it. You go and have a local part all night tone this way you know so you are on the restaurant that. The name alone I go take down the place.
Watch this now. Watch this. You know enough people don't understand. You maybe they on TikTok yes and you make a 1 and 2 kinds. You notice all the kinds come and how it go back out.
How it go back out.
You see how quick it go back out?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
So watch this.
You see on your birthday?
Yeah.
You broke me out. You broke me. You look at money gone.
Yeah.
On your birthday, when over there, show for you and Jaden a play.
Oh, yeah, for my birthday. Yes, I'm see the day I shoot down your blood clot, please.
You shoot your football, you shoot me and say out.
I
know say now go can't get you tell everybody thanks, but by the end of the day, Annie, me don't know if you get you, so me not really matter. Because me the real part.
Yeah.
Triple P, where are you, Bundy?
I had my cousin.
Bro, me don't want, you see that you the lady in our box, me don't really want to add everybody in our box. You see it. You know where you go.
But thank you for the gift, though. Like, thank you for the gift, especially on my birthday. Thank you so much.
Caesar, you know what I mean?
How old is that?
Overdose wife.
Overdose wife. Oh, Annie, say overdose wife, yeah.
Hi. I just go and follow her.
Yeah,
Annie, look here. My advice, what I tell you, right? You see when a person, it's when a restaurant that cook good food.
Yeah.
People will drive all over the world for it.
Yeah.
Look on all shades. Although shades lose it now still.
Yeah.
You bash them, but they lose it. But you have people who left from the airport and come as shades like hungry I kill them, then just come off of the plane and then decide say, yo, a shades me I go buy a food.
Definitely.
Yeah,
so you don't
because I left from Ochiris and got shade go buy food. No,
I don't know how you make Shebada discourage you. Shebada I worst Batman in our world. Never
no,
look good
I'm not saying him discourage me because he was not the person who get the place closed. It's just a bad mind thing and them say, oh, the money are coming and people are come. Restaurant pack up, people can't even come in a restaurant to a pack. So it's not him alone. You get me? And he will never be my downfall.
Always remember people not stone off a green mango, you know.
That's true. That's true, Queen. That's
so
true.
Are your dream enough for them. So you have to pursue your dream.
Definitely.
And you can cook because me eat from me already a bus park, so me know.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
And you know me too, you know. Annie, you remember Miss Dolly we used to sell out at exchange school?
Miss Dolly up at exchange school?
Yeah, I'm a grandmother. I know you a long time.
Oh yes, again.
Nikki, Trudy, Queenie.
Yes.
Right, that's so. So,
well, so you used to go exchange school too?
Yeah. Well, I used to go exchange school. I was to and from Kingston to like back and forth, like me. But one of them thing there. But anyway, I'm just saying, your dream and your dreaming on a few.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. That is it, man.
Yeah. 7 brothers, 7 different minds.
Yeah, it's a working process. I'm
one Caesar, you ready for detention?
The school man, Annie afford now. Watching Annie. How much I know say I afford? Cause detention just around the corner. You know, me just see my bad brother one night.
Detention now again, 12.
Detention I was 12. Detention I 4th. Are you
detention at the 4th? I think at the 12 or the 13. Remember?
Huh?
I think at 13 years now.
You changing?
13 years detention I go now, man. 13.
Yeah.
4th
Yeah,
of
man,
July.
detention a legend.
Annie,
Yeah.
how much you wanna say afford again? Cause your wife had to because she, you know, she manage a lot of things them. So I want to tell me, cause me that tell Annie about it, moms.
Oh.
And she said
Yeah,
she
man,
don't want to tell.
if Annie roll through, no problem.
Annie go roll, man, but you know Annie roll in the group then.
Yeah.
But Annie not really go, you know. Annie not really go, you know.
Oh, you know, so me tell her about it. I think I
Yeah,
me
yeah,
tell
he
her.
tell me. Me go out in about occasional parties and stuff. Me go out, but I'm not like that person who just go out anytime.
Okay.
Me,
Well, my husband have a ear-to-ear party. I don't know if you know overdose, cause you know
Yeah.
overdose.
no,
Yes, yes,
Annie
yes.
ask me.
You don't know overdose.
Who don't know overdose the
Huh?
bar, man?
Yes, Queen.
Oh, yeah. It's a theme party.
One mix master overdose.
One and only one party, professor.
One and only one vice back. Understand?
One night
The
and shit.
baddest.
One night and shit down up a lime top there, no good, man.
True.
Yeah, I that make me see the video them.
Me
Me
shake
never,
it,
me
good,
never,
man.
me
I know
never
me.
roll through because me they have some foreigner come for some. Me have some foreigner where they link me from an idea and I say, yo, Sky. You know, some of them Jamaica bar open, and my bar never open, you know, because I never plan for open, but a foreigner them there, money, you know, when they come on to money, no skipping.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
Because
man. Yeah, man.
when I pass my hustle for nobody, you know.
No, you have to do the right thing. You have to do the right thing. But
Yeah, so my friend them can link me and I just go so boom bang, open the bar. Yeah.
attention,
My
I
bar
drop
there
on the
great
right
one,
time,
Annie.
me have
Yeah,
some
great
foreigner
fun.
for me.
Yeah, it name relevant. It name my five son relevant HQ. That a overdose son name relevant unit.
Yeah,
So the
yeah.
bar
Yeah, the next
the
door to
bar
me.
name relevant HQ and me sell woman clothes, man clothes, sky closet.
Okay.
When you go up on my page you will see it still.
All right.
Right,
Make
well,
up on your page.
Yeah,
All
so
right.
my
Then
so the bar is like a one-stop shop, you know. Once you
Yeah.
come, yeah, if you don't have no roll on, you know, no everything there, toothbrush, you want a burger, you want fries, you want hot wings, you want buttered corn, everything. All of them stuff they do are done to order.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, next door to me. Let me check out your page. So at least if you want to come up even this weekend, we can just get a ride and come over.
No
Yeah.
problem.
After such, you know, for
But
one.
most time, like,
I want you to make
like,
me and you go.
my run my thing
Yes.
now. You see, when him, it's when my husband have the far out show, I
Yeah.
go with him. So it depends. So most time, you have to like call me and say, yo, the bar open.
I
I'm gonna
call.
have no bartender.
You hear me, moms? You hear
Yes,
me?
Caesar.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Me and I we are forward up the man, so me I go call those.
yeah,
Until-
yeah. You are, yeah, link him.
The entire
All right, so
report,
the party date is when again?
the 4th and next week.
Detention, the fort.
4th of July.
Yeah.
What I tell about it? You know, say I want the party are here to the party.
All right. All right.
You know?
So me
And
just
I look-
roll with a small team. I think about 5 away and so forth. So if you can make sure say we're good, we're gonna be there. All right.
Of course. Where you talk about?
I
Caesar.
look a waste party in the moms. A police and sitting on.
And
Where,
then me
and
I tell them, come over this party. Don't do that.
No,
party
Annie,
there.
you know, say, me see Annie detention for true.
No joke.
You see one of the kids.
Anytime you're ready. When if you come Annie, you just make we know. You follow me, so just inbox me and me tell you what's up or
All right, I got you.
what me can do for you.
She a come in here, all the way I pull up. She a go come.
Alright.
No
And
problem.
when they ready now, we can circle up our place one of them time. You see?
And that may I say we could have do that before the party time. We could have just drop up there and
Yeah man. Oh wait there. Every Caesar, oh you not tell her every Wednesday me have karaoke.
Oh.
Go there for one of karaoke day.
Oh
again.
yeah, go to power night karaoke time. That's the best time. So we'll go up there.
Yeah. Every
Right.
Wednesday me have karaoke Wednesdays.
So that's simply mean if you said Wednesdays, we could have book a date for next week Wednesday.
Alright, no problem.
All right, Caesar.
So Annie can sing?
Hey, me come for food and look who was sing and laugh.
Oh, nothing wrong with that, yeah. Nothing